Hi guys, today we are discussing about the empirical formula. It is the simplest formula that gives the small whole number of actual molecular formula. For example, benzene has the molecular formula of C6H6 and its empirical formula is CH. Similarly, molecular formula of the glucose is C6H12O6 and its empirical formula is CH2O. Empirical formula is determined from the following calculation steps. First one is determine the percentage of composition and then finding the number of gram atoms of each element by using the formula mass of elements and divided by the atomic mass. This is the main postulate of this process. Then determine the atomic ratio using the another formula number of moles of each element divided by the smallest number of moles. And then if atomic ratio is simple whole number, it gives the empirical formula. Otherwise, multiply with the suitable digit to get the whole number. Now we discuss about the example of ascorbic acid. Ascorbic acid contains the 40.92% of carbon, 4.58% of hydrogen and 54.5% of oxygen by the mass. What is the empirical formula of ascorbic acid? Suppose we have the 100 gram of ascorbic acid, and from the 100 gram of ascorbic acid we have the 40.92 gram of carbon, 4.58 gram of hydrogen and 54.5 gram oxygen. And then we divide and then we extract the gram atoms of each element by dividing the molecular mass divided by their atomic numbers. First, we extract the number of gram atoms of carbon, and we apply the same formula to extract the number of gram atom of hydrogen, and then we extract the number of gram atom of oxygen, and we get the simple ratio of each atom of the gram atoms of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. 3.41 gram atom, and similarly 4.54 gram atoms and 3.406. 3.406 is the smallest number. To get the atomic ratio, we divide the smallest whole number with the 3.06 gram atoms, and we get the simple ratio in between this carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, 1 ratio 1.33 ratio 1. And to get the whole number, we multiply with 3, and then we get the formula C3H4O3, which is the formula of ascorbic acid. Now we discuss the another combustion analysis to determine the amount of different elements. It is the process which is used to determine the amount of different elements in a compound by burning a known amount of organic compound containing the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and other gases in the presence of oxygen. Oxygen is supplied for the burning. This process is called combustion analysis. It consists on 4 chambers and one inlet and outlet. Through the inlet we supply the oxygen, and from the outlet we exit all the gases. First chamber contains the sample of carbon hydrogen elements, where the sample is burning with with the flammable oxygen. And in second chamber, a water absorber by using the solution of magnesium perchlorate. And in third chamber, carbon dioxide is absorbed by using the 50% of potassium hydroxide. And in the last chamber, another gases except water and carbon dioxide, the other gases are absorbed. And here is the simplest formula to extract the empirical formula by using the combustion analysis. First, we extract the percentage of carbon by using the formula mass of carbon dioxide divided by the mass of compound, multiply atomic number of carbon and multiply the molecular number of molecular mass of the carbon dioxide, multiply with 100. Similarly, we apply the same formula to extract the percentage of hydrogen with the similar formula, and when we extract the percentage of carbon and hydrogen, then we add both values and subtract from the 100, then we get the percentage of the oxygen.